It's so nice when I meet someone and tell them I work for Mondelēz, and I tell them, okay, this is the brands like Cadbury, Milka, Oreo. Everyone smiles.
I think if I have to pick one, I think that would be the Cadbury. This is my favorite.
Innovation is really, really important for Mondelēz. So the technology help in the space of innovation is really, really great. The speed at which we can get now back to the consumer and innovate with new products is becoming much, much shorter, from 6 months to weeks. And Mondelēz has also invested quite a lot in a so-called Cocoa Life, which is about sustainable planting and sustainable communities around the cocoa farming. So we want to continue growing snacking, and for that we will continue expanding with our brands, and we're also looking at acquisition opportunities continuously.
The main drivers for Mondelēz to go into the SAP Analytics Cloud was one that we didn't truly have the forecasting, the planning tool. So the biggest challenges were the forecast accuracy, manual workload, and efficient planning process.
Today, SAP Analytics Cloud has enabled us to focus the organization around the concept of one number. The second thing is we have replaced all the Excel spreadsheet, and we have one tool, and we do the rolling forecast consistently across the globe as well. And the third thing is it has provided a lot more granularity and automation to insights than before.
So our assumption is to reduce the overall workload on preparation of the monthly rolling forecast by 50%. Second is bringing more insights, so the teams can switch from manual workload into more value-added activities.
One of the great things around the project was the user experience, and we also had some fantastic stories. The LATAM team was saying actually this was the best forecast process ever they had in their life, so that was really something that made my day.
Today we have over 1,200 users in more than 80 countries. We implemented SAP Analytics Cloud in a record time, within the year, which is amazing achievement considering our complexity. We also co-innovated the dashboards, which are very well received by the users today.
It's a great step on our planning excellence journey, and it really lays the foundation for the future evolution. And we can now build more capabilities that will improve our forecast, but also we can now focus on the process efficiency.